Having trouble with Wi-Fi calling on your Cricket wireless phone? Wi-Fi calling allows you to make and receive calls using a Wi-Fi network instead of cellular towers, which is especially helpful in areas with poor cellular coverage. First, let's check if your device is compatible. Most devices sold by Cricket since 2020 support Wi-Fi calling. However, if you brought your own Android device, it might have restrictions. iPhones generally have broader compatibility, even if not purchased directly from Cricket. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Connections, and look for Wi-Fi calling. Here's what the settings menu looks like on most Android phones. Toggle the Wi-Fi calling option to enable it. Make sure it's turned on to allow calls over Wi-Fi networks. For iPhone users, go to Settings, then Phone, and select Wi-Fi calling. The interface shows both the main phone settings and the Wi-Fi calling configuration screen. This step is crucial. You must configure your emergency 911 address in the Wi-Fi calling settings. This allows emergency services to locate you when making emergency calls over Wi-Fi. Enter your current physical address and keep it updated. Finally, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network to rule out network-specific issues. A strong, stable internet connection is essential for quality Wi-Fi calling. These initial checks and settings adjustments resolve most Wi-Fi calling issues on Cricket Wireless. Make sure your device is compatible, enable the feature in Settings, configure your emergency address, and verify your Wi-Fi connection stability. If basic troubleshooting didn't work, try these advanced fixes. First, toggle airplane mode on for exactly 10 seconds, then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection. Next, try restarting your phone completely. This resolves many connectivity issues by clearing temporary network data and refreshing all system connections. Ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. Outdated software can cause Wi-Fi calling compatibility issues. Check for updates in your phone's settings. Double-check that your SIM card is properly inserted. A loose or incorrectly positioned SIM card can prevent Wi-Fi calling from working properly. If Wi-Fi calling options are missing entirely from your settings, contact Cricket support to confirm your plan includes Wi-Fi calling. Not all plans support this feature. Remember, Wi-Fi calling uses your Wi-Fi network to make calls and send texts. It's especially useful in areas with poor cellular coverage or when you're indoors with weak signal. If problems persist, they're often caused by Wi-Fi network issues like inconsistent connection, packet loss, or high latency. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network to test. As a final step, if none of these solutions work, contact Cricket Wireless support directly. They can check your account settings and provide device-specific troubleshooting assistance.